So hello, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve the TryHackMe lab called the Neighbor. So let's begin. So before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. So let's go. So here is our IP, and as we could see that it's a new cloud service, authentication anywhere, login your from anywhere you would like. Okay, so it will be a simple one. Okay, so here we go. We have given our IP. Let's hit the enter and wait. Okay, so here we go. We have found one login page, but there is no username or password, so we know what we need to do. Use the guest account. Control U. Okay. So here we go. What happened when we click the control U? It basically takes us to the the page source. Okay, here we go. We got the page source. What have we written? Use guest credentials. Okay, so let's go with them. Okay, guest. Okay, we came here. Let's get the guest. Oh, it's taking some load. I don't know why. Might be due to internet. Guest. Okay, hit the login. Okay, not now. Let's wait. What was the password and username? Yes, it was guest credentials until registration is fixed. As when account is off limits. Okay, so here we go. We have got the hey. Hi guest, welcome to our site. Try not to pick your name as profile. Okay. Then again we will go to the page source. Simple as that. Here we go. We come here. We already have page source here. But when you carefully look at the URL, okay, we come back here. It's saying profile PHP user equal to guest. So what if we directly give it an admin one? Okay, we will try. Okay, admin. Just wait, admin. Let's go and we'll check if it's vulnerable or not. So before that, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's go. I think it's loading. It should be a vulnerable one to this ads. It's an IDOR. Let's check. So our internet is working slow. Okay. Yes. It's loading. Wait, we will give it again one. It might be due to service. Okay, so here we go. We have got our flag. This is the flag. It will be a pretty easy one. I will blur this out and you could try by your own. Okay,